Alright guys, so that is the end of the River Safari. It was really tiring. I'm really hungry. So this is not the end yet. It's not the end yet. Maybe we are going to KFC, I guess. Okay, wait. Uncle Azril, where are you going to eat?
I think I churro somewhere nearby.
We're gonna eat somewhere nearby. Yeah. So I will see you guys in a bit. But first,
Nanti ya.
first three people who will follow me on Twitter, I will give you a shout out, and yeah. Alright guys, I made it to the car. Yeah, the first three follow us, follow me on Twitter, give me a shout out on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. Yeah, maybe not Facebook because I don't really use Facebook. But yeah, they don't even know. So and not in the future maybe I'll make a soccer video.
No, but tell them what the Instagram name.
Yeah.
Walk back into your home and turn those lights
Okay, bye bye.